In this video, I am going to show you very beautiful and gorgeous collection of Bengal's traditional Baluchari pure silk saree collection. Saree number 1, look at the beautiful palla portion of the saree. Now I will just show you the body portion of the saree. This one is the body portion. Very beautiful meenakari work is there. Throughout the saree, resham work will be there, which makes the saree look very gorgeous and beautiful. This one is the blouse piece. Saree number 2, look at the beautiful color of the saree. Look at the palla portion of the saree. Very beautiful historical and traditional motifs are there in the palla portion. Now I will turn and show you the beautiful body portion. Meenakari work is also there in this saree. This one is the blouse piece. Saree number 3, look at the beautiful light shade of Baluchari pure silk saree. This one is the lovely palla portion. Very beautiful historical and traditional motifs are there, which makes the saree look very beautiful. This one is the body portion. Beautiful meenakari works are there. This one is the matching blouse piece running with the saree. Saree number 4, look at the dual toned Baluchari pure silk saree. This one is the beautiful palla portion. This one is the body portion of the saree. Look at the beautiful meenakari work depicted along with the resham work, which makes the saree look very beautiful and very gorgeous. Saree number 5, look at the beautiful palla portion. Very beautiful green colored Baluchari pure silk saree. The beautiful meenakari work along with the resham weaving in the border and the palla portion makes each one of this saree look very beautiful and very gorgeous. Saree number 6, look at the beautiful palla portion of this black colored Baluchari pure silk saree. This one is the body portion. Look at the lovely contrast of black and red. This one is the blouse piece of the saree. Saree number 6, look at the beautiful pink colored Baluchari pure silk saree. This saree also has a very beautiful meenakari work. The beauty and the combination of the meenakari work with the resham weaving in the border, palla and the booty portion all over the body of the saree makes these sarees look fabulous and very beautiful, and you can wear these sarees for any parties, any occasion and festive wear. And these sarees are a must for every woman's wardrobe because these sarees are really an asset and treasure in every woman's wardrobe, and these sarees are really a gift from Bengal. Look at the beautiful color of this particular Baluchari saree. This one is the blouse piece, lovely blouse piece. Next is again a very different combination in Baluchari saree. Look at the beautiful paisley motifs done in the palla portion. Now I will turn and show you the beautiful body portion where you will find very small buttas throughout the body. This one is the blouse piece of this Baluchari saree. Moving on to the next saree is again a very beautiful Baluchari saree. Look at the beautiful palla portion. The resham weaving throughout the body of this saree and the palla portion makes this green colored Baluchari saree look fabulous. This one is the blouse piece of the saree. Each one of these sarees are silk mark certified, and these sarees are having pure Vishnupuri silk fabric. Look at this particular saree. The saree has very beautiful paisley motifs, and the color combination of this black with red color in the Baluchari saree makes this saree look very fabulous and very beautiful. To book these sarees, just take the screenshot of the saree you wish to book and send it to our booking WhatsApp number shown on the screen.